approach up to Table Rock. Leading out here, this great vista. This is amazing. And you can see the road out there. That's a turn off to Moose Cove. Has a little speck across the way. See the water running across the rocks across the way there. And then down. That's our eventual destination. We'll be heading down and around toward the right here. You can't see the parking lot. That's our goal.